All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to create this video inside text effect all in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the very first thing you need to do is to quickly launch Premiere Pro software, just like you can see now. Then after launching it, for the purpose of this, I will have to import a particular video that I'm going to be using for illustration. So let me just select this video that is already here. I'll just drag and then drop it on my sequence, just like you can see now. I'll now stretch it. So this is the video. So what is the next step after importing the video that you want to actually add the video inside text effect? I'll now click on T like this letter T here that you can see type 2, or you can just press T on your keyboard and then you click it on top of the video like this, and then let's type something. Okay, so after typing like this, you adjust the text to see what's actually going on. Then you adjust it to a certain level just like this, and then you now head straight to your effects panel here. Let's go to effects, and then you search for track matte key. This is the track matte key. Then you now drag it, and then you drop it on the video. Can you see now? Leave it on the video like this, and then you now go back to effect controls. Then you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll. You see the track match key here. Now here is it. So you now come to the match like this. You click on it. Then you select where the text is. So this is actually video 2. If you look at where the text is now, you see V2 here. That is video channel 2. Then you now select video 2. Then can you see now? So the video has been successfully shrinked inside the text. So to make it more visible and aesthetic enough, you still have to click on the text and then you adjust carefully like this. Then after that, you still go back to essential graphics to do justice to it. So let's, for the purpose of this, let's do something briefly to it. You go to graphics. Then just do some little adjustment to it, and then all right, so this is it. So you now go to edit like this, then double check the text so that you can easily make pretty good adjustment to it. Change this font style to bold. Okay, now it's visible enough compared to before. Then if you still want to adjust, you centralize it to put it at the center or the middle of the video clip. You can as well do it like this. And then let's check this to see how it works. So when you play the video, you see that you can be able to see the person's face there. If you adjust the text, the more you adjust the size of the text, the more visible you see the video through the text. Now let's adjust to see what happens. Now if you keep on adjusting, okay, this is what you will get. Can you see it now? So this is just how simple it is to actually get this very one done. So then if you want, you can as well add whatever kind of effects you want to add to flavor it. But for the purpose of the video inside text effect, this is just how to actually get it done. No confusion, no tech talk, just simple steps and clarity.